live and we are back again with another video with the Sapphire Reserve Ultimate Rewards Points. If you don't know, my name is Derek and I'm a travel vlogger and I am here to enhance your travel experience. With this section, I'm going to cover the Chase Sapphire Reserve points. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use those points into getting a hotel or how to book a hotel with your points. If you haven't checked already, I have a video just like this, very similar, how to use your points to book a flight. In that video, I showed people how to book a flight and I booked myself a trip to Egypt without paying a dime. So with that being said, let's get into it. Welcome to the lifestyle and let's get it going. Okay, so first of all, you have to log in. That's the very first thing. And when you get to your credit card, you have to go to the Ultimate Rewards dashboard. All right, it's gonna look just like this. And here you have the options. Here are my points. Last, if you saw them, I had around 80,000. It's definitely 34 now because I've used it. But how to get there, we're gonna click this, I like to call it the hamburger. All right, it's gonna pull up your little tabs over here. And we're gonna go to travel. And you see this right here, it's gonna go to hotels. There's many ways to get there. If you just click it, it'll even bring you to this tab, which is pretty cool. And it'll tell you how much it's worth. All right, even with this much that I have here, I can get a trip anywhere in the world because of COVID. To click hotels, or this way. Yes, and if I did it that way, you can see that it has saved my research, my last search from my booked flight, and has already calculated when I'm going to arrive and when I'm going to leave. So it's already did that little space for me. I'm gonna click search. Just make sure everything's correct. I'm just one person, one room. Check in, check out. Where we're going, Cairo, Egypt. Search. All right. Okay. And now it has brought up your search dashboard. This search dashboard is very similar to booking.com, which is what I like to use. Also very similar to hotels.com and a little bit of Expedia. So it's very easy to understand. It's not hard at all. It's not rocket science, but I'll just go guide you through this. So where you're going, you want to make sure all this is correct. You're going to Cairo, Egypt, your check-in, check-out, your guest room. Here is on a map of where it is. And I think this is very important too. When you get to your destination, you want to see what's around you. You want to see what's the hot spots, the red light districts, the best restaurants, the most convenient tourist spots, and so on and so on. But if you're going to look for like the best hotels, you're going to get the best for your money. Here it shows you how to do that. You can filter by Giza. You want to have a hotel next to airport or a water park, pool, or you're looking for a hotel with the best 5-star ratings, or if it's within your budget, you can go here 75, 125, 200, greater than 300. Obviously, you get the best for your buck, or any guest rating here off of personal opinions. And there's a lot of different types of hotels that this dashboard gives you. But we're gonna keep it simple. Let's just say for me, let's just go greater than 300. This is not practical, but just I want to see what they actually have to offer that's greater than 300. And not a lot, only 3. So actually, let's just widen our options and let's go to 75 to 125. And off the bat, you already see something that says special price. You definitely want to capitalize when you see something like that. That usually means like during this time, they have a special pricing for this hotel. It's probably usually cheaper than what it is, or it's going to be that type of rate for maybe a day or two, or maybe for just the next 24 hours. So when you decide to choose what hotel you want, and I'm looking for one that catches my eye, I want something really bougie. These are all cool. Okay. And this is a 5-star. Gives you an overview, rooms, location, amenities, policies, reviews. Definitely read all that when you're looking at the hotel of your choice. And here, just like I said, at booking.com and hotels, it gives you an idea of what's around it once you're at this hotel. So you definitely want to pick a spot that's close to the hot spots, you know, the red light districts, the nightclubs, the bars, the places to walk around, the places where all the women are going to be. Also, how close your airport is to make it more convenient for you when you land. Upon deciding, you want to make sure this is all correct. Check in, check out, guest room, and you see your options here. So definitely check all these. This one is very important. No online cancellation fees. You see how much it costs in dollars converted into points. If you decide to choose one, and actually we're going to go down here too. It tells you about the area itself, which is very important. It tells you what's nearby, what's restaurants, getting around, and this will also determine the place of hotel that you're going to be at. A little bit about the property, the amenities. This is good too. Food and drink, guest services, parking, internet is very important. Language spoken, that's actually very important, just in case if you're probably only speaking one language. You can see all languages that are spoken: Arabic, English, French, German, and Russian. That's amazing. Things to do, family friendly, accessibility, conveniences. This is all great stuff. Amenities, entertainment, 46-inch TV. My TV is bigger than that. Food, bathroom, bedroom, policies. Definitely check the policies. You don't want to be stuck like me where you can't have guests in your own hotel. That happened to me once upon a time. But once you've decided where you want to go, let's check out the rooms. I like the Junior, Superior, Deluxe. Let's check that Superior. It's not bad, and it gives you just an overview of the room itself, the city, square feet, what's in here, the bedroom, air conditioning is very important. You don't want to be in a hot room, trust me. Entertainment, food, more, and it just gets it tells you exactly what it was on the previous page. If you don't like that, you can go back. I want to check this Deluxe real quick. I think it said king bed, 1 king bed, enough for 2 people. You have a city view, 430 square feet. So let's check these pictures real quick. That's huge. It's pretty good. It's pretty good for the money. Well, for the points, at least. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay, not bad. So theoretically, let's just say, oh, I want this room, right? This is option 1. No online cancellation fees. This is $98.23 a night, or 6,000 points. 549 points. Okay. And the next option 2, which is the same thing. They have 4 left, so let's just go with this one. And I'm not actually going to book this one. I'm just showing. I don't actually want to stay here. I have the hookups. As you see, you're almost done. It only takes 2 minutes to book. You just want to make sure you have all this set. Make sure it's all good and gravy. And on top of that, remember the special pricing, you save 30%. And the trip total comes up to this amount right here, $884.87. Here, you can save the points for later, or you can use it now. And this is the whole purpose of the video, of how to get to this point so you don't have to pay. So if I want to use my points, I would be right here and just redeem it. And then what Chase Sapphire Ultimate Rewards does is they take your points and convert it into money, and it will cover your whole expenses for your hotel. After that, you want to, if you don't want to use your points, you enter your credit card here and just get the points all over again and rinse and repeat. Fill this out. Where should we send your confirmation? Make sure to review your booking trip and complete booking. And that's it, guys. See, it was that easy. It wasn't that hard, right? Awesome. So if you like the video, please share, subscribe, and like. Actually, just please watch the video. I don't really care for you to subscribe, but that would be nice too. Send it to a friend. Like I said, this year is a great time to book for next year. This year is done as far as traveling because of COVID, but you can definitely prepare for next year because the rates are just chopped in half to where it's just so easy and so affordable to book your life for next year. Okay? So until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.